Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you are here today. Learning English is fun and easy with us. I am Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy today. The sun is shining, and I feel very good. It is a beautiful day to learn English together.
Yes, it is, Tom. Today we have a very special topic. It is something very real. We're talking about meeting a new neighbor.
I love that topic, Anna. Neighbors are the people who live next to your house or your apartment. It is very important to be friendly with them.
Exactly. Being friendly makes life better. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
And give us a like if you are ready to learn. We love your support. Now, let us start our story. Imagine I am moving into a new apartment.
Okay, Tom. I am your neighbor. I am standing in the hallway near your door. I see you with a big box. Hello, good morning.
Oh, hello. Good morning. I am a bit tired because this box is very heavy, but I am happy to meet you.
I can see that. You look very busy today. The weather is a bit hot for moving boxes, isn't it?
Yes, it is very hot. I am sweating a little. My name is Tom. I am moving into apartment 4B.
It is very nice to meet you, Tom. I am Anna. I live in apartment 4C. We are direct neighbors. Welcome to the building.
Thank you, Anna. You are very kind. I feel very welcome now. I am happy to live next to someone so friendly.
Thank you, Tom. I try to be a good neighbor. Are you new to this city or just this street?
I am new to this city. I moved here for a new job. Everything is very new for me, and I feel a little nervous, but also excited.
That is very normal, Tom. Moving to a new city is a big step. I remember when I moved here 3 years ago, I felt the same way.
Really? You felt nervous too? That makes me feel better. Where are you from originally, Anna?
I am from a small town near the mountains. It is very quiet there. This city is very loud and busy, but I like it now.
I understand. I am from a small town too. I miss the trees and the quiet, but I like the shops here.
The shops are great. There is a very good bakery on the corner. They have the best bread and coffee.
Oh, I love coffee. That is very good to know. Is the bakery open on Sundays?
Yes, it is open every day. You should go there tomorrow morning. It's a great place to relax.
I will go there for sure. Thank you for the tip, Anna. Do you like this building? Is it a quiet building?
Yes, it is very quiet. Most people work during the day. At night, you can sleep very well. The walls are thick.
That is excellent news. I like to sleep in a quiet room. And what about the park? Is there a park nearby?
Yes, there is a big park just 2 blocks away. I go there to walk every evening. It is very beautiful with many flowers.
I like walking in the park. Maybe I can go there this weekend. It's good for the heart and the mind.
I agree. Walking makes me feel very calm. If you want, I can show you the park on Saturday.
That is so nice of you, Anna. I would love that. It's much better to see the neighborhood with a friend.
Of course. We are neighbors and we can be friends. The neighborhood is very safe, too. I feel very happy living here.
I am glad to hear that. Safety is very important when you live alone. Do you know if there is a supermarket close to here?
Yes, there is a large supermarket. It is only 5 minutes away if you walk fast. They have everything you need.
Perfect. I need to buy milk and eggs later. Moving makes me very hungry.
I understand. After moving boxes, you need a big dinner. There is also a small pharmacy next to the supermarket.
That is very useful. This neighborhood has everything. I feel very lucky to find this apartment.
We are lucky to have you, Tom. You seem like a very nice person. If you need any help with the boxes, just tell me.
Thank you, Anna. You are so empathetic. I have only 2 more boxes in the car and then I am finished.
That's good. Take your time. Don't work too hard. The sun is very strong today.
I will be careful. I will drink a lot of water. It is important to stay hydrated when it's hot.
Yes, it is. Well, Tom, I will let you finish your work. It was so lovely to meet you.
It was lovely to meet you too, Anna. Thank you for the warm welcome. I feel much more relaxed now.
I am happy to hear that. Welcome home, Tom. See you later.
See you later, Anna. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Friends, if you liked this conversation, please leave a comment. Tell us about your neighbors.
Yes. Do you have a friendly neighbor like Anna? Or are you a helpful neighbor like Tom? Write it in English.
We love reading your stories. It's a great way to practice. Subscribe and like for more easy English.
See you in the next video. Happy learning to everyone.
Bye-bye. Be happy and keep practicing.